In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce lag in Grow a Garden 2 on PS4. So first thing you want to do is go to Menu, and then you want to go to Settings, and then make sure your volume's on the third bar. Your input device, make sure it's on default, and then output device, make sure it's on PS4 audio output. For chat language, you want to make sure the voice chat's connected. Chat summaries, off. Rephrase messages, off. Automatic chat translations, off. Experience language, you want this on English, but if you want less input lag, then I would suggest choosing traditional Chinese. If you want to do this too, it also helps, but you just turn on automatic chat translation, and then you put this on Chinese, traditional, and then it won't affect your actual in-game, but it'll help lower your input lag. So then once you're done doing that, you just turn that off, and then full screen, you want this on. Background transparency, you want to make sure this is all grayed out. So pretty much how you do this is you put the graphics mode on automatic, and it'll set it to the lowest preset for your PS4 so it can run at the best performance. For vibration, you want this on. Reduce motion, you want that on. Camera mode, follow. Camera inverted, off. Camera sensitivity, you want this at default. Shift lock switch, off. UI navigation toggle, off. Show people's names, on, and display my badges, show. And then once you're done doing that, you'll notice your game's a lot smoother, but there's one thing that you have to do. You have to do this pre-optimization protocol where you just go to accessibility, you press the invert colors, so it resets your PS4's GPU, then go to devices, Bluetooth devices. You want to make sure that you press your DualShock, disconnect it, and then unplug the wire that's going into your controller, plug it back in, and then once you finish doing that, you want to hold your PlayStation button to reconnect your controller, and then press back, go to audio devices, make sure your headset is synced, and then uncheck switch output device automatically. So pretty much every time that you restart your PlayStation, you want to make sure that these are synced so you can hear things in your game. And then after that, you want to go to all the way down to initialization, clear your learning dictionary. This will help reduce the extra catch in the background of your PS4, and it'll help lower your lag. After that, you want to go all the way to your internet browser, and then press options, and then settings. You want to make sure that you delete your cookies and clear your website data, and also make sure that you close the window. So just for extra precaution, you just want to make sure that these are cleared out, and then obviously make sure there's no history as well. And then after that, you want to go to your notifications, and then make sure there's none on your downloads and your uploads. And for your notification settings, you want to make sure that it's set like this. So copy these and then copy this. And then once you go back into your game, there's actually one more thing. You want to go to your trophies, and then you want to sync your PlayStation network with Roblox, and then that'll help reduce your lag even more. And then you can go back into your game, and then everything's going to be a lot smoother.